AWS reInvent is the premier cloud conference of the year. Right now, it is underway in Las Vegas in US, and today was the day one, which has just concluded. I'm sitting here in Sydney, Australia, trying to cover up as much as possible and to see what exactly new announcements and innovations are coming out of it. As was expected, most of the stuff is focused on generative AI and data. Today's highlight was Peter DeSantis' keynote, and Peter is a senior vice president in AWS for utility computing, and his keynote is always very well received. This year, he has touched upon a lot of great things. For instance, what I was able to make out of his talk was that AWS is trying hard to do a lot more innovations in serverless to remove heavy lifting for customers and simplify what it takes to build, run, and manage applications at scale. There are three things which stood out from Peter's talk. First was Amazon Aurora Limitless. Amazon Aurora Limitless database is a new capability that scales beyond the right limit of a single Amazon Aurora database while maintaining the simplicity of operating a single database. This helps make it easy for developers to scale apps, saves builders months compared to building custom solutions. And then we have Amazon Elasticache Serverless. Amazon Elasticache Serverless is another cool product which helps customers create highly available caches in under 1 minute. It also instantly scales vertically and horizontally to support even the most demanding applications. And there is no need to manage infrastructure. Last but not least, one of the most exciting announcement from Peter's talk was AI-driven scaling and optimization in Amazon Redshift serverless, because this new announcement ensures that this Redshift serverless predicts workloads and automatically scales and optimizes resources to help customers meet price performance targets. So this is it, guys. These are the two main salient things which I wanted to share from Peter's talk. If you are following up any keynotes or talks and want to share your opinion or nuggets or any information, please share them in the comments, because there are thousands of them and no single person can cover all of them. So let's do a community effort. And if you want to share something, please put it out in the comments. And or if you want me to cover any upcoming talk or the talk which already has happened or any AWS feature, let me know and I'll be happy to do the video on it. Also, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.